So to make sure that your pictures have everything that they need and that they're large enough, you want to have your File Explorer view set to where you can see the dimensions and the comments where the image addresses are stored. You can't do that if you don't have this details pane open. As you can see, this is where I can access the comments field. Under view is where you can turn that details pane on and off. You'll notice that we are in the details view, not on any of these others. So stick with details view. One thing that I've done is I've turned off the navigation pane so that there's enough room for you to see everything. That's also something that can be made to appear or not appear. In order to make columns appear, we have to right-click on the column headers. Those are the names of the different columns. It doesn't matter which one, and I'll do this by taking dimensions off by clicking next to them and show you how you can add them. This view right here is something that you should have been able to get to fairly easily. I'm now going to add those two columns. Dimensions may or may not be on the quick list, but you can always get to all of them by clicking on More. You can scroll down. This goes a little fast, so I like to use my mouse wheel to get down to the Comments field and then down to the D's where Dimensions are found. This will allow me to then left-click on a column header and sort by the size. You can see that my smallest picture is the one of the steak. My largest picture, the basketball. The larger the image, as long as it's sharp and clear, will give you more options on how far you can zoom in or zoom out or move around on the screen. So make sure that all of your images have the comments field filled in with the image address, and that all of your dimensions are significantly larger than the 1920 by 1080. 2500 for the horizontal dimension is about the smallest that I think you should have.